Hello and welcome to a new video of Team Trides. Today we're gonna ride Baron 1898. Yes. A dive coaster from B&M, and that opened in 2015. So it's 10 years already. So okay. Yeah. So look at the theming. The theming is really amazing.
Yeah,
look
it's
at
nice.
Yeah. So I really like the theming of this roller coaster.
It's a nice attraction. I need to say that, but
Yeah.
in my opinion, it's too a little bit afraid of me in the drop.
Oh, so you're not gonna do this coaster right now?
With this opportunity, not.
No? Okay. No problem.
Volgende keer.
Upon the next time, okay.
Next time. Yeah.
But I'm gonna do this roller coaster, so I'm gonna take you with me on the ride. So see you soon. Ciao.
Vandaag heeft u het voorrecht af te dalen in de wetenschap die toegang geeft tot rijkdom en welvaart. Ik zal u opleiden tot mijn beste kompels. U wordt verzocht uw meelantaarn en helm in ontvangst te nemen. U bent verantwoordelijk voor een fortuinlijke opbrengst. Met een kathedraal van staal, de schachttoren, daalt u af naar de ondergrondse schatkamers. En daar, in de diepste grotten verborgen, ligt een goudmaatschappij. Dit is mijn goudmijn. Dit is mijn goudmijn.
U zijt gewaarschuwd.
Kompels, u laat zich nog niet afschrikken door een schepping van bijgeloof en zinsbegoocheling die zich weer niet verwachten laten. Doe dat wie is hard bij de wereld. Hurry up now!
ride. Only had to wait 10 minutes for the queue line, so that was really nice. What? It's nothing. 10 minutes is nothing indeed. For the Baron 1898 it's nothing. Most of the time it's a long queue line.
Yeah.
But this time it was just 10 minutes. So that's for the front row. Because Baron you have to do on the front row. It was really nice because yeah, it's a total experience. Baron 1880 is a total experience. You do the queue line, then you go enter the building. You have a pre-show with
yeah, that indeed is
yeah,
nice.
with the weaving. So yeah, and then you go through. You go to the coaster, and then you have another pre-show.
Yeah, double.
Before the lift, yeah, before the lift hill, just before the lift hill, you also have a little pre-show. You go up, and then you have the drop. It is a short ride. It's really short. This is the drop, then and that's almost it. Small helix and these of things. It's a very short ride, but it is a total experience. The theming, the music, the story around, it's really amazing. I really like this this roller coaster. It is not the most highest or the deepest or anything like that, no, but it's a total experience, and Efteling is doing that very well, I think.
Yeah.
So yeah, so tell me, what do you think about Baron 1898? If you like it, just put it in the comments, or if you don't like it, also put it in the comments. Put your thumbs up, and we see you next time for a new adventure.
Bye.
Bye. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.